Feed those birds.
Oh, that's a close one. Oh, we hit it.
They're swarming.
Ooh, that's a fat one.
He knows how to get his food.
Oh shit, that one's close to you.
Exactly. Now you're like, oh.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god, they're right there.
Oh shoot. Oh. Ooh, that's the brave one right there. That's the brave one.
You're not putting that in your hand.
Is that too close?
Yeah, they're too afraid.
Scared now.
Oh my god, they're flying over us! Now you grab it.
Let's throw a cigarette butt. Let's confuse them.